What am I supposed to do with that? Also, I just realized chat's... Stop! That's my tea! That's my tea! Stop!
Thank you.
Ugh! Now I gotta get a new cup. Ugh! I'm gonna get a new cup. 1 second. I hate you. I hate you all. Perfect. New cup. White woman jump scare. I'm gonna white woman crash out, I swear to God. No, I'm gonna be fine.
That sign can't stop me because I can't read.
That sign can't stop me because I can't read. What if I just... I think I'm just gonna... What if I just... Hi. I think I'm just gonna... Yeah, this feels right. No, this feels like too right. It needs to be like this. Perfect. Hi! Hi! I'm gonna swing from the chandelier. From the chandelier. I'm gonna live like it doesn't exist. Like it doesn't exist. What a time to tune in. I'm mentally sound. I'm mentally sound and have all of my faculties. Unfortunately. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier. From the chandelier. Like
Letting out the
Screamo
blood
like
rush
that.
to ye head I see.
I know. I'm letting out the blood rush to my head. She finally broke, guys. No, I'm fine. I'm a bat. Ooh, my name is Batty. That is Ratty. Wait, what are the Batty lyrics from? Hey guys, I'm gonna age myself really fast. Ferngully, anybody enjoyed that? Ferngully Batty lyrics. Yo, the name is Batty. The logic is erratic. Potato in a jacket, toys in the attic. I rock and I ramble, my brain is scrambled, wrapped like an animal, but I'm a mammal! Ferngully mentioned. It was before its time.